In European market, delivery markets, there are four major players, and DHL, TNT, UPS, and FedEx. And UPS is the number one delivery services company, and the TNT also have a large market share in European market. But the problem is TNT kept losing money, and they are interested in finding a solution.
UPS, being the market leader in the world, however, does not have the biggest market share in the European delivery market. So, um, with a view to increase its market share and profit and gain an equal footage with the market leader in Europe, with DHL, so it plans on expanding to the European market. So UPS offered a deal of $6.8 billion to TNT for an acquisition. $6.8 billion is equivalent to 5.16 billion euro, and this deal is offered in March 2012, and the deal will be paid in 3 billions in cash and the rest with debt. The company has a strong balance sheet and it had 4.3 billion in cash and equivalents as of December 2011, and it generated about 5 billion in free cash in year 2011. This offer is equivalent to 9.5 euros per share of TNT and is 54% higher than the closing price at the 16th of February 2012. So after the acquisition, UPS will be double in size in Europe, and the pre-tax cost savings will be about 400 million euros to 550 million euros annually after 4 years of the acquisition, because these benefits will be coming from economies of scale, the shared carriers, warehouses, cargoes, and retail stores, and there will be also other benefits.
Before the acquisition, the form concentration ratio was 52%, and after the takeover, the ratio is expected to increase to 60%, which leads to concern of the European Union regarding the antitrust and competition. And UPS was very confident that the deal will receive regulatory approval at the end of 2012, because UPS believes they will provide benefit to customers, such as wider coverage, consistency, cost efficiency from economies of scale. Thus, UPS believes the acquisition will be transformative for the logistics industry.
However, there are antitrust concerns from the European Commission. The European antitrust regulators said the deal would reduce the number of continent-wide companies in the local small package shipping industry and reduce competition, and the resulting combining two companies would have increased price for express delivery in 29 countries in Europe. They ruled that only four companies, UPS, TNT, DHL, and FedEx, had sufficient size across the continent to offer competition, and that a combination of UPS and TNT Express would limit consumer choice.
In order to have the deal to come through, the European Commission had hinted that UPS had to find an upfront buyer to purchase some of the TNT assets to maintain competition. UPS offered to divest TNT's businesses in 15 countries in Eastern Europe and Scandinavia, as well as units in Spain and Portugal, under certain conditions. Further, UPS also promises to boost the smaller level by giving it access to UPS Air network for 5 years, helping it increase its volume of small package deliveries.
The European Commission, however, was not quite happy with the plan of UPS. They cast doubts on the buyers UPS was working with had the incentive and ability to become a strong player in express deliveries. Other concerns are loss of TNT jobs after the acquisition. The European Commission also hinted that FedEx would be the only possible suitable purchaser, which had its own air freight services. Since FedEx did not show any interest in purchasing TNT's access, in January 2013, the European Commission officially blocked UPS split for TNT because of its inability to sign a binding deal with a potential purchaser of TNT units in 17 countries, and it concluded that UPS' divestment plan was insufficient. UPS, in response to the decision of the European Commission, in its announcement said that it was disappointed in the decision, and it had to pay 2,000 million euros to TNT within 10 days of terminating the deal.
With disappointment, UPS and TNT disagreed with European Commission's ruling of limited consumer choice and competition, saying that other smaller European shipping companies are already providing enough competition. So the two companies believe the European Commission decision does not make any sense. So they decide to appeal to the court.